Alright, so quick little S197 update. Today I'm cutting the strut towers in order to get these caster camber plates to fit. The car is currently running negative 7.5 degrees of camber and about 9 degrees of caster, and that's a bit more aggressive than it needs to be. So I'm hoping to get it around 5.5 degrees negative camber and sitting around 6.5 to 7 degrees of caster. So I have to cut the strut towers in the area that I've marked in order to hopefully get those to fit right. Probably have to cut a couple times, but no big deal. It's rather have to cut a couple times and weld stuff back together. But anyway, angle grinder, hacksaw, blades, cut off discs, a flap wheel so I can smooth it out if I need to, and that should be all we need. So wish me luck. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work, but this cardboard has been water soaked overnight. Don't ask me where I got it from. Anyway, there's my marks that I made. Basically I put the camber caster plate underneath, like loosely bolted it in, and then went through its range just to see where it's going to hit at. This isn't max forward, but I wanted to start here and see if that's enough, because I don't want to take off more material than I need to. So this is max adding camber, or reducing camber, adding caster, but I need a lot less caster. So it's probably going to end up somewhere in this range. But I wanted to be able to add or take away a little bit more camber if I need to, and have that be the max. So here we go. Did it. Alright, so after figuring some stuff out, it's not the prettiest, but it's gonna work. I'm gonna go run and grab some black spray paint, make sure it doesn't rust, but there she is. She's in there. All set up, ready to go. All primered up and ready for some paint. So it's on. It's together on the passenger side. I haven't done the driver's side yet, but a lot less camber already, and wow. Yep. There's a little bit of poke there, y'all. Sweet. This will be interesting. Thank you. Alrighty, here she is. Camber caster plates in, car is aligned. We are sitting at 7 degrees of caster and about 4.5 degrees of negative camber. So much better than the 9 degrees of caster and the 7.5 degrees of negative camber. So I think in the future I might lower it a little bit in the front, but for now I'm gonna rock it and see if I have any clearance issues or anything. But for now, there she is.